when is the right time to become a parent? I need all the aspects. You can talk about financial aspect, you can talk about emotional aspect, and when is the right time? That's it. When does one know?
Oh wow, man. A very tough question. Seriously. A very tough question, but I don't know. There is no right time, and every time is the right time. The question I would want to ask people would be, are you ready to take on one more life into your life? Like include your life into your life. And you can be as much prepared. And I can tell you, you can never be prepared. I'll give you an example. So ice or water vapor. What's the composition?
H2O.
तीनों में H2O है तो चीज एक ही. But imagine if ice had a brain, will it ever be able to imagine that I can flow? मैं कहीं भी जा सकता हूँ, मुझे फेंकोगे मतलब I can just roam around. And can water ever imagine that I can just be anywhere around the world? I can flow around and I can just float everywhere and I can be flying everywhere. It's impossible, right? So from being a bachelor to being married is a state change. You don't remain the same person. It's like ice turning into water. अब आइस जितना मर्जी प्रिपेयर कर लेना कि मैं पानी बन के ऐसा करूंगा, पॉसिबल नहीं है. You need to say that okay, my state is going to change and I'm going to go with the flow. I want to learn this. I'm new. I haven't lived, say, 30th July 2025 in my life. I haven't. And I will live it anew. What's going to happen tomorrow? I have no idea. But do I have the skills and the wherewithals to live whatever life throws at me? And can I be open for it? Similarly, when the husband and wife get a third person in, like a child, it's a state change again. The way you think, the way you get up, the way you speak, everything will change, Devang. Everything. Because suddenly, there's another life which for the at least first few months, its survival depends on you. तुम ये नहीं बोल सकते यार अच्छा इसको छोड़ो हम रात को पार्टी करने चलते हैं या फिर हम बाहर जा रहे हैं या हम अभी उठ के बाहर घूमने जा रहे हैं. नहीं बोल पाओगे. और you are not prepared for it. Nor is your wife. The child will get up. It's a cycle. It's a 2-hour cycle. Feeding, pooping, cleaning, sleeping. Feeding, pooping, cleaning, sleeping is a 2-hour cycle for the first 3 months. पागल हो जाओगे. Be prepared for it. Have fun. And I'll give you a very personal example, okay? So, I never wanted to be a parent. Me and Monica, we got married in 1995. We never wanted to be parents. And the only reason was this, that when I saw my friends and family, I said, यार ये तो पागलपन है यार. ये तो मतलब पूरे टाइम बच्चों के पीछे खाना खिलाओ, ये कराओ, पढ़ाओ, सुलाओ, ये करो. और फिर जब बच्चों से बात करते थे, बच्चे कहते थे यार पेरेंट्स को और कोई काम ही नहीं, हमारे पीछे पड़े हुए हैं. If you are sitting, they say, don't sit like this. Don't sleep like this. Get up. This is not the time to sleep. This is not the time to get up. This is how you eat. This is what you don't eat. This is when you study. This is when you don't study. यार पागल उनका यार नहीं छोड़ो. नहीं करने बच्चे. From there to a 24/7 work. Like it's my children or the world. I'm only doing parenting. So when Aman was born finally, and it was only because of social pressure. Like 5-6 years we could sustain it, but after that we gave in. So after just the first few days, we went back to the doctor. I said, doctor, कहाँ फंसा दिया ये क्या है? मतलब सोता ही नहीं है यार. I have to. I'm awake the whole night. I have to work. The second day I'm walking around like a zombie. कहता welcome to the world of parenting. ये तो ऐसे ही चलेगा. सिर्फ अभी वो सो नहीं रहा है, तब जैसे जैसे बड़े होंगे ना तरीके चेंज हो जाएंगे, बट ये चलता रहेगा. जब तक तो जिंदा है ये ऐसे ही रहेगा. I was like यार ये नहीं चाहिए यार लाइफ में, कुछ तो सोचना पड़ेगा. So me and Monica were sitting together. यार this is not the way we want to do it. Can we now start enjoying this time? नींद तो आनी थी, सोच सकते नहीं. चल कुछ करते हैं. So we started reading books, started playing cards, started watching TV. And that time it wasn't too much of TV. That was 90, that was 2000. It wasn't too much of it, but चल ये game खेलते हैं. So we started utilizing that time to spend time with each other. नींद तो नहीं हो रही थी, but that time was beautiful. क्योंकि पहले क्या होता था कि अरे टाइम भी नहीं मिल रहा, इरिटेशन हो रही है, एक दूसरे के साथ टाइम नहीं बिता पा रहे. Now this whole thing that we can spend this time together, enjoying each other's company, and it just altered. So what I'm trying to say is that you need to be prepared to figure out ways, and are there ways available? The answer is yes. So are you prepared? Yes, you are. Are you prepared?
No, I am
No, you're not.
not.
Go for it and play. If you want children, go for it and play. And I can add one thing. As I said, I never wanted to be parents. And I was forced to have children. And then we were forced by our son, the firstborn, to have the second child. After about 6 years plus. I thank every person who forced me to do it. And thank God that I'm a parent. I wouldn't have been the same human being. I wouldn't have had the life I'm living today if I've not become a parent.